Hello everyone, this is Hybrid Motors Africa here. Now, today I want to take out some time to elaborate on why we formed Hybrid Motors Africa. As all of you know, our primary business is the sale of electric cars and plug-in hybrid cars within the African market. We have positioned ourselves as the most affordable company, and for that matter, automobile company. But on the side, we also can deliver internal combustion engine vehicles, again, at the lowest price within the market. So we ask our customers, is it possible for you to identify that particular vehicle which you are interested in and find out its price? And we would deliver that particular vehicle, any internal combustion engine, at that market price which is below what the market is offering. We also have other services which we add to this particular task. Now, when you buy a vehicle from us, whether it is a brand new vehicle or a used vehicle, we go all the way to ensure that you enjoy this vehicle. When we bring your vehicle from outside, if it is a used vehicle, it definitely comes with a report, an inspection report, to verify that the vehicle is not an accident car. Unless you yourself prefer a vehicle which has been repaired and you don't mind it, but we do not bring those kind of vehicles. Now, when your vehicle comes, again, whether it is new or used, we have our partners who we work with. We will go and screen that vehicle to make sure that even if it's new, it is handed over to you in a condition that is 100%. That is service number one. Service number two, when it comes to you using the vehicle and you encounter any problem, technical problem, mechanical problem, maintenance, we are always there to support you. You need spare parts, we are always there to support you. You need service for the vehicle, we are always there to support you in all this at no extra cost. The only thing you will take care of is the payment for your service and spare parts if you need them. Aside this, the other thing we do is that we have provided a platform, www.hybridmotorsafrica.com, which is our website. Now, on our website, we have provided for you to list your vehicle in case you have driven it and you feel that you need to upgrade to a newer version of your car, or you want to take on a different type of vehicle. You can list it on our website for free. Now, this is the first of its kind in the whole of the African region. So we encourage you to take advantage of it. Now, this is what Hybrid Motors Africa is able to offer. 360-degree services, especially when it comes to electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid vehicles.